So what's up guys, welcome back to my blog. This is Ken Castello. Today it's raining and we have a couple of sneakers to unbox and we're gonna review those shoes. But before that, I'm actually going to a grocery store to buy some food and I'm going to take a haircut. As you can see, my hair is quite long now, so just to get fresh, then we're going to a barber shop and I have my umbrella since it's raining. Before we do that, if you haven't subscribed yet to my channel, please press the subscribe button and the notification bell button for more updates and more videos in the future. Okay, so let's go ahead and I will take you to the grocery store and my barber shop. Lang naman yung bibili. Hey. So guys, this is where I go to take a haircut. Yep, it's Hair Market. So guys, I have been to salon. However, I decided not to take a haircut because my hairstylist was not there and I don't want to take a risk of getting a bad haircut. And I usually don't trust a lot of hairstylists here from Japan because I had a horrible experience from Japanese hairstylists whenever they're doing like a Korean hairstyle such as two block style. I remember that last time I had like a, you know, like a coconut hair or a mushroom hair, and that was terrible. So I mean, right now I'm just going home and I mean unbox some shoes and review it.
A few moments later.
Hello guys, for this video we are going to unbox an Air Jordan 1 Mid Special Edition. And for this model we got a black box. The size of the shoes is 25 cm or in US 7 for men's sizing. So in this version, Air Jordan Mid, Jordan brand uses natural tones and suede details. As you can see, the outsole of the shoes is color gray, and the midsole is yellowish white, which gives the shoes a vintage look. The color of the swoosh is also yellowish white, but the material used for the swoosh is comparable to a nylon fabric. While the quarter part of the shoes is made of mesh material, as well as the sock lining of the shoe. So in this version, you will see the toe box is actually exposed and stitched from the outside, and the material used for this toe box is actually suede. These parts that I'm pointing right now are also made of suedes. The heel part of these shoes is also made of suede. The Jordan brand logo is actually embossed on the back of the shoes. On the tongue part, you will see the Air Jordan logo, and it's made of nylon material. And there you have the off-white shoelace. The sock lining of these shoes is comparable to CMFT, or known as the comfort version of Air Jordan 1. Insole of the shoes is color orange, and on the padding you will see a white Jumpman logo. While the tip of the shoes is actually made of white leather. Also the collar part of this shoe. And these are the materials used for these shoes. Now let's have a look at them side by side at different angles. So that's it guys. If you have enjoyed this video, please don't forget to subscribe and press the like button. Thank you for watching, and make sure to watch the second part of this video. I will share the link down on the description.